What if AI tools like this could make money for you online almost completely on autopilot? What's up, everyone? James Jernigan here with ShineRanker, and today I want to give you the complete guide to making money online with AI tools. Specifically, we're going to be using a couple tools here. This one you're looking at is called Midjourney, and it creates AI images exactly like the ones you're seeing here. In fact, I'm going to use this to create a new image right before your very eyes. So as this bot is getting started on this, I want to show you the rest of this process. So first of all, before we get started, I want you to go ahead and comment right now with the word yes if you want AI making money for you. Right? Who doesn't want that? That's the dream, and I want to show you how to turn that into a reality here in this video. So after you comment yes, the next thing you need to do is actually get Midjourney. And you could do that by going to easytoolbots.com. Now the reason you want to go to easytoolbots.com is because there's like 100 different bots and tools on a checklist, and we found them and put it all together for you. So you don't have to go searching for these tools, find out which ones work and which ones don't. We've made a list for you. It's right here, so you can get this tool and a bunch of others there, and that's the first thing I would recommend you do in this process. So here we go. We can see that I've prompted this bot, Midjourney. I've asked it to create a humanoid robot shaped like a bodybuilder on a ton of steroids with glowing purple eyeballs holding a wad of cash against a pure white background. Now obviously we're talking about AI and using AI to make money, so that's kind of the theme here. So here it gives us 4 options and we could pick which one we like best. I like this 4th one the best, so we'll just click this U4, and now what this is going to do is create a bigger, higher quality image of that image. So there we go, we have this bot here. Now you'll see this bot on the thumbnail of this video, and for those of you who have been paying attention to the channel for a while, you've probably seen a lot of these other images in our thumbnails and our other content here at ShineRanker. So this is exactly how we do it, it's how other people do it, and it's how you can do it to, first of all, create these images that you can use to make money online. Now obviously just creating an image isn't going to make you any money, so we need to move on with the process. That's pretty self-explanatory, right? Get Midjourney, and for those of you who missed it, all we did was tell this tool exactly what we want. So I'll go ahead and prompt it again here. You start with a slash, and then you type imagine, and that's it. It opens up this prompt window. So now you can literally tell this thing to make you anything you want. We could say, imagine a unicorn, but with a pit bull's head and an alligator tail. Right? We can literally tell this thing anything. And if we don't like the results that it gives us back, all we have to do is reprompt it, give it more details. Like for example, you see in this one I said against a pure white background. If I didn't tell it that, it might have put any color background behind it. So as you can see, as it's creating these next images, it's using a dark background. So all I had to do is add against a white background, and this would have made these images that it's creating for me right now literally against a white background. So you can see it's about 46% of the way done here. It's not completely instantly, it does take a little bit of time, but as you can see, it's developing the images as we've asked. So we'll just give it a few more seconds here and see what it comes up with. You can see it's creating the horse images, it's turning it into a unicorn, adding colors and a little horn. So let's see if it does give it a pit bull head like we asked, or an alligator tail, or anything like that. So it looks like we're going to need to be a little more specific. That it might not have recognized pit bull head, we might have had to tell it dog head, but you get the idea. You can use this to create any kind of art or images that you want. So that's step 3, create any kind of images you want using prompts. And again, a prompt is just you telling it what to do. There's tons on Google, there's tons on YouTube if you want to go find other people's prompts and use them, but you could just create your own, tell it what you want. So that's pretty simple so far, right? Hopefully everyone is still with me. All we've done is grab the tool, we've created some images, so now what I want to show you is how to turn those images into money. And we're going to do that using a secret tool that exposes what people are already searching for. This is extremely important, right? Because if we just go creating content randomly, for example, that unicorn with a dog head and an alligator tail, most likely nobody's searching for that, right? So what we want to do is create content that people are already searching for. We don't want to have to create any excitement. We don't want to have to drive traffic. We want to get traffic that already exists, right? People are already searching Google and Facebook and YouTube and TikTok and all these different apps, right? So that's what we're going to do with this secret tool. Now, of course, I'm talking about our tool, ShineRanker. So the first part about ShineRanker is that it's an SEO tool, but it does so much more than that. It actually has AI tools built in, and I'll show you how all this works. But to get started, what I want to do is find what people are searching for that has to do with AI content. Again, the theme of this video is making money with AI, so we want to find out what people are searching for when it comes to AI. So I've given this tool 3 examples. You click this button here, you give it 3 examples of your keywords. So you can see here I've given it AI content writer, AI writer, and AI tools. So with that information, it found us 706 keywords. Now, what's so powerful about this is that, first of all, right off the bat, you could see exactly how many monthly searches each one of these keywords get. So that's helpful, right? Because if we reverse this order, some of these keywords, like free AI writer tool, conversion AI, AppSumo, right? All of the words on this list, tools, AI, right? If we worded things like this, only 10 people per month are searching that on Google. And that's really not a lot of traffic, right? And plus, there's probably going to be competition. But if we reverse that, we organize this data by the most monthly searches, then we can scroll through here and start taking a look at this next column, which is difficulty, right? So I don't know about you, but I don't like doing things the hard way. I would rather do them the easy way. So instead of messing with any of these keywords that are in the red here, right, that have scores of difficulty scores in the 70s, the 80s, we don't want that. What we're looking for is these little green bubbles here, right? 24 is a lot less difficult than 84. You know, less than half is difficult. So the important thing to note here is that both of these keywords get the same amount of searches per month. 880 people are searching AI Write, and 880 people are searching Artificial Intelligence Dashboard. So if you had the choice between targeting these 2 keywords for the same amount of traffic, only one of them is really difficult and one of them is really easy, which one would you pick? It's a no-brainer, right? You're going to go for the easy ones. So that's why it's vitally important to use an SEO tool so that we can actually find what people are looking for. Here's another great one, free AI tools. Doesn't get much better than that, right? That's what everyone wants. Here's another one, AI response generator, right? So I typed in AI writer, and I'm used to phrasing things like AI writer, AI content, AI text, right? But here's AI response generator. So another great keyword. So if we look at our list here, so now we found what people are actually searching for. We've already created some content that we want them to see. So the next step is putting these 2 together, right? We know what people are searching for. We know what kind of content they want to find. So this next step is how we're going to get them to actually find the content. So we're going to need some AI text content, and we're going to create that using ChatGPT. But now what I want you to pay attention to is we can do this all within this one tool here, right? So I'm just going to copy this keyword AI response generator and come down here to this button that says chat. So now we have ChatGPT built into ShineRanker specifically for this purpose, so that you could take your keywords, literally just paste them in here and tell this thing, to create whatever kind of content you want. You could say, write a highly informative blog post about how to use an AI response generator, right? It's as simple as that. So then we'll go ahead and click submit, and it's going to take a couple seconds here, maybe up to a minute, and it's going to create that content for us, again, using ChatGPT. So once that's done, all you would have to do is essentially paste this content on your blog. Now you might want to take it a step further. If you've been doing SEO for a while, you know that when it comes to AI content, what's better than just copying and pasting it is to actually go and reword this content to make it more human and that kind of thing. But I don't want to dwell on that. For now, the content is done. So here we have this article, AI is now an integral part of our lives. It's revolutionized the way we work and communicate and even think. One of the most significant applications of AI is in generating responses to various queries or statements made by users. In this blog post, we will discuss how to use an AI response generator. So there, bam, there's our keyword. It is right there in the first paragraph. Look here, it's in the first title, and you can see that they've used this keyword a number of times. So all we'd have to do is put this on our blog. And if we want to take it a step further, we can actually see how optimized this content is right here within ShineRanker again. And all we're going to do is copy it and come over here to the content editor, click start editing. Whoops, we need to go back to give it our keyword. So enter 1 or more keywords separated by new lines. So we'll give it our content, our keyword here, which was AI response generator. So we'll start editing. Alright, so now we are going to paste this content in here, and you can see that this is about 35% optimized so far. So now what's cool is this tool will tell us actually what else is missing, right? So we have not only this gauge that tells us how optimized this is, but it suggests how many words to have in our article, how many headings, how many images. And again, images, right? This says we need 28 to 31. That might be on the high side. Maybe we need 4 or 5. But again, we can create them right here almost instantly within Midjourney. So we can tweak this a bit, right? We can add these other words down here. It recommends headings for us to use. It recommends words. So all we really have to do is add some more of these words that it recommends into this content, get this up to the green, and then this goes on the blog. Now, of course, you can use this to create any kind of type of content you want. So we'll grab our keyword again, right? Where is it? AI response generator. We'll copy that, and we'll tell it this time, write me a 20-second video script for TikTok about a AI response generator. So we'll go ahead and tell it that error asking question. Looks like I might need to just refresh my browser here. So we'll copy this, go ahead and give it a quick refresh. And we'll try again. No big deal, right? Sometimes technology needs a little bit of your attention. There you go. Hey guys, I just discovered this amazing AI response generator. It's like having a personal assistant for all your messaging needs. Just type in your message and let AI do the rest. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to endless possibilities with this game-changing technology. Look at that. And even gave you hashtags to use. AI response generator, hashtag personal assistant, hashtag game changer, right? So it pretty much just did the majority of the hard work of creating a TikTok video for you, right? Coming up with the idea, coming up with the script, coming up with the hashtag. So now literally all you have to do is read this out loud. You could maybe put it over some of your AI images, or you could use some stock footage, or you could just let AI do the entire thing and create a video for you using one of the tools here on our list at easytoolbots.com. There's AI video tools, there's AI text tools, website ranking tools, all kinds of stuff in there that you might be interested in. So I hope you're starting to get the big picture by now of what we're doing. We are literally just clicking a few buttons, creating some images, then using ShineRanker to find out what people are actually searching for so that we know the traffic's there, right? We want to get traffic that we already know is there. We don't want to go fishing for traffic that may or may not exist, right? So ShineRanker is going to tell us exactly what keywords are getting traffic. So then all we have to do is match those keywords with the art that we created, and we're going to do that by creating AI text content or AI video content. Again, using ChatGPT, all within ShineRanker here. So hopefully you learned something in this video, and if you're still on the fence, if you're still missing something, the final step is to become a pro at this. And the way you're going to do that is by going to botsprofits.co. Now, notice that is .co, not .com, botsprofits.co. And when you go there, you just put your email in this list and you can get a more extensive training on how we're using AI here at ShineRanker to make a ton of money online, and hopefully how you can get started doing the exact same thing. So that about wraps it up. That's about as simple as I can make it. Like I said, if you want more info, head to botsprofits.co. If you haven't already done so, please click the red button down below and make sure you subscribe to this channel so you see the content that we put out in the future. Go ahead and click the bell icon so that'll make sure it pops up in your feed and that you actually see it. And other than that, take care and make sure you get started on this stuff, right? Because it's not going to last forever. The more people that figure this out, the more competition you're going to have. And I'm making a video about it right now. I'm telling everybody. So you might as well get started before the next guy. And you could do that right now today. I just did it live in front of you. It takes a few minutes to get started. So take care, and I'll catch you guys on the next ShineRanker video.